Hello everyone, welcome to Video Saver tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to split a video into multiple parts using the Video Split tool. To get started, open Video Split from the home screen. If you don't see it, press the down arrow at the bottom of the screen to expand the Video Tools section. At the beginning, the Split tool requires you to select the video before proceeding. Press My Files, Photo or Files to import videos from the app's local storage, photo gallery or iOS Files app, respectively. An important part of the Split tool is the track list, which can also be referred to as the timetable. It's a list of the start time of every part. Each line in the list represents a separate part, and the time indicator can be located at the beginning or end of the file. It's strongly recommended that you copy and paste the track list from the source video. However, if the source doesn't contain a track list, you can create it manually using the player at the top of the screen. Play the video normally, adjust the time and press the green Add button to add the current time to the track list. Press Add Stop to add the end time for the current part and Remove to delete a part associated with a specific time. Additionally, if you want to split the video into equal parts, just like TikTok and Instagram Reels, please slide the Split Equally bar to the desired length to create an equal timetable. Finally, press the big split button to start the process.